Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use GPT 5.6 Sol inside of Claude Code. Let me break it down for you. For this, I actually created a GitHub repository. You can think of this simply as step-by-step instructions that are going to be followed by your Claude Code. What you're going to do is you're going to simply go to the link that's going to be down in the description below. Feel free to go ahead and read everything that's happening in the background. And then whenever you actually just go ahead and take this link, you can actually just go to your main Claude Code instance. So just to note, this will not work inside of the desktop application of Claude. You will actually need to install in the terminal. And you can also use Claude Code to be able to install Claude Code in the terminal, which is great. So the only thing that you will have to do is you will have to give this to your Claude Code instance. Hey Claude, can you please explain to me what's inside of this GitHub link? It's going to go ahead and it's going to fetch the information and it's going to break it down for you. Now, it has step-by-step instructions that will allow it to follow all of the things that I created in order for you to be able to do this. And of course, I was not alone when I created this. This is something that was created partly by someone else as well. I just built on top of it. This allows you to run Claude Code inside of Codex. Now, as you can see, it's actually reading the file. Then it's going to explain to you all of the setup steps. Feel free to use your own Claude Code for this really. Now, in order to use Claude Code, well, this is called Claudex, you don't even need a Claude account. You can simply use your OpenAI ChatGPT account to set all of this up. Now, as you can see, this explains to you everything that this is. Now, there is also a diagram inside of the GitHub that I actually created. Feel free to check it out so you really understand what's happening in the background. It's a 5-minute setup. It actually asks you how you really want to set up this for you. Now, to show you what this actually looks like, I'm going to show you what it looks inside of my main terminal. Now, it's going to actually install inside of your terminal. And now I actually have it default into a command that's called ccx. Now, ccx, whenever I actually run it, as you can see up in here, it says GPT 5.6 Sol. It's using GPT 5.6 Sol for everything. So for the main agent, for the sub agents, for the background tasks, literally everything. And it also allows you to select directly the models that you actually want to use. In my case, I'm using Sol High. Now, why can you do this and how can you do this? It's super simple. Now, Claude Code is not actually a brain, it's a body. Inside of this body is the LLM that's actually driving it. Let's represent it via this wiggly box. What's great is that this body is fantastic. Claude Code is a fantastic harness. That's what they're called. You can think of them as pretty much just the Iron Man suit. In here, we normally have the Claude brains, but because we actually know how this body is built, we can literally just swap the brains out of here and put a new brain in. And that's why here you're actually using Claude Code with your OpenAI subscription. Why would you do this? Because Claude Code is probably the better harness for coding. It has a lot of features that are really nice. So it's always good to try out if you actually prefer using Claude Code with GPT 5.6 Sol, or if you prefer using Codex from your desktop application. Both are valid. I've created everything for you in order to make this as simple as possible and as customizable as possible. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe for more videos and also start the GitHub repo. That way more people can see what I've created for them. I'll say catch you in the next video and see you. Bye.